Damn guys, it's been a minute. Welcome back. So, I don't know if you guys have checked out my Instagram, but I went live a couple days ago. If you haven't checked it out, you should go check it out. But in that video, I told you guys that I have been holding out on you. And believe it or not, I have been. So, the reason I've been holding out on you is because I'm making a huge jump here. One that I was a little bit scared at first, but now I am super excited about it. And that switch just so happens to be, we went ahead and got ourselves a brand new Turbski. Believe it or not, it's not a Precision. It's a Garrett. So today I just wanted to quick open up the box and show you guys exactly what we decided to go with. Because guys, I am freaking pumped about this. This is a huge move, one that should get us exactly where we want to be as far as power goes and everything like that goes. So, I mean, let's just go ahead and bust right into it. So, here we go. So, as you can see here, we got our nice box. I may have taken a little bit of a sneak peek. I may not have. So, we're just gonna go ahead and open this up real quick and bust right into it. Holy crap. Woo! Holy Toledo. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is our brand spanking new Garrett G42-1450. That's right. One of Garrett's brand new G series. And this baby is the 1450. It's not the 1200, it's the 1450. I mean, the turbo compressor outlet here is 3.5 inches. You guys. It is literally almost the size of my fist. Damn, this thing is sexy. So, oh, and it spins so nice and free. Ho, 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 ho. So, I'm gonna go ahead and blow out some of this packing material and stuff that's on here. And I'm gonna bust out our new turbine housing and get our turbine housing put on here. And we're gonna set it in the car and see what we gotta do for the fab guy to finish this bad guy off so that we can get it running. This is Garrett's new G42-1450. This is a 10-blade design. Back housing here, the turbine housing is a 1.15. We also got the 1.28. Basically what we're trying to do is we're just gonna try and keep back pressure in check. I originally ordered it with the 1.28 and decided to buy another 1.15 just so we could see, you know, this is a huge turbo, guys. Like, definitely the biggest turbo I've ever had. And spooling up is definitely something real with a turbo this size. Like I said, the compressor outlet here, this is 3.5 inches, guys. The tubing, the old tubing that we have here, this is just 3 inch. Not only are we gonna have to reduce it down with this, really cool, Motion Raceworks actually makes a flange that is the right male-female piece of this, but it is actually designed for 3-inch tubing. So super cool that we're not gonna have to do anything other than just weld a simple flange. For some perspective, this is Precision's 6870 H cover compressor. This is a 3-inch outlet here. Kind of crazy. But I don't know if you can tell, but damn, that's quite a bit bigger. The turbine housing is massive too. Long awaited reveal. Been holding out on you guys. I apologize, but I just wanted to get everything, all my ducks in a row and everything before we broke the news on this, because like I said, this is literally the last piece to everything. Right here, excuse the mess, I've got our engine harness that I've pretty much modified, added things, taken away things, depinned things, repinned things to allow us to maintain this factory plug here while being able to not only run the IGN-1A coils, but 8 injectors and a whole bunch of AEM pressure sensors, map sensors, stuff like that. Super cool. We're gonna retain all the boom slang M-Tron aspect of it, stay with the same harness. I've just modified it so that we can have all the data and go super fast. One of the things I posted on my Instagram has to do with this little port right here. This port is actually designed and built for what they call a turbo speed sensor. So if you look on my Instagram, there's like a sensor that's a big long piece that actually fits down inside there. And it will measure how fast these blades spin. And we can use that as data to actually find out what RPM this turbo is spinning, so we can find out where it is exactly on the compressor map as far as efficiency goes. Really high tech, believe it or not. Pretty much what's super cool about this is we're able to just drop it right in the car. So our old mount and everything will all work. I mean, it fills up this corner really well, so all we gotta do is just modify this pipe down here, modify the downpipe, cut a bigger hole for the exhaust, and we're off to the races. Hell yeah. Woo! Like the hotness. She's in. That is freaking massive. Wow. Yeah, okay. That's large. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a tight fit, huh? I mean, I guess I did choose the biggest turbo I could probably go with. What I really need to figure out, guys, is first off, I need to figure out something with these hoses. I want to swap them over to like AN so I can route them, you know, like back and around instead of this direction where they're right in the way. Or just delete it all together, which is going to consist of more than just deleting the pump here. I'm actually gonna have to do something with the steering rack, whatever. And the last one is the ABS module here. Man, I feel like this is a lot to delete this, and I only know of a few guys that have done it. So I don't know. If you guys have any information, drop it in the comments below for me. I would love to find a way to get rid of all this so that I could potentially turn the turbo and have it more forward facing instead of cocked like this. Now that I see it in here, I do love the position of it, but it is big. So if I could like potentially, you know, cut out all this metal here and be able to route a downpipe out that way, that'd be sweet. And plus I would be able to get more direct airflow because I am gonna cut out the headlight here. But I don't know. Don't know what to do. I do love it like that. I mean, it is sick, and it's pretty much a straight shot right out of the fender. Well guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. So I hope you're as excited about this as I am, but damn, this is beautiful. What a beautiful turbo, and holy shit is it big. Like, pictures, video just doesn't quite do it justice, but I can promise you this thing is freaking massive. This thing is capable of every bit of power that we could ever imagine wanting to make with a Subaru. Guess what? We're gonna push it. We're gonna try and get it there. So, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to these videos. Turn on the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. I haven't been posting a whole lot, but I can promise you as soon as this car comes together, which we're pretty much weeks away at this point, there's gonna be a whole bunch more content. We got testing, dynoing, all kinds of stuff coming, and our first race in June. So, hope you guys stick around and tune in for the next time. So with that, we'll catch you guys later.